Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is IwantCHIME, aka Chime, and we are out here in Denver, Colorado. We're out here for the 420 festival and I'm having so much fun. I literally have been smoking non-stop, like dead ass. Ooh, sun-kissed, okay. It's kind of hot out. It's hot out here.
Every bum I see today, I'm giving them a little bit of weed, I promise. Like where you are. I like everything about you.
And one on display small. You can feel it right here. I will tell you this much. You gotta put that shit in your closet because it's super fucking warm. Remember them pants that used to unzip into like shorts? I wish we did that with sleeves. This guy, 65.
Where?
End of the season, we got you. What up, though? Be fresh kid, Denver, Colorado.
I like everything about you.
Oh my goodness. I will tell the vlog what just happened, but oh my goodness.
Yesterday trash. Pull up in the Chevy, spray around through the glass. Then you laying face down in the grass and I laugh. And then the end of the cycle, the end of my problem. Nigga, master Apollo. Go lay up with a model and new tomorrow. That's the checkmate, game over. Man, I'm telling you, probably you don't know what you're doing. Don't recognize the trouble you're getting into and you ruin. Dig deep. I spent my childhood in a wild hood. So all that gangster shit you talking, but make it understood, you gonna have to show me. I'm an OG, you wanna overthrow me?